finger food is mozzarella sticks. What you'll need are 12 sticks of string cheese, 2 cups of breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of water. Add your 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of water in a bowl. Place that to the side. In another bowl, add your breadcrumbs, garlic powder, oregano, salt and black pepper, and mix well. Now take a mozzarella stick and put that in the flour. Next, you want to dip it into the egg wash with your right hand. Transfer it over to the breadcrumbs using your left hand again, and then you want to double coat it. Repeat this process until you are all finished with your mozzarella sticks. Place your mozzarella sticks in a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You want to leave it in your freezer overnight. When it is time to fry, you want to make sure that the temperature reaches 325 degrees. Gently place your mozzarella sticks a few at a time in the pot. You want to look for that golden brown color. Next, this is the easiest way to make classic buffalo wings. You want to get 4 pounds of chicken wings, half a cup of Frank's hot sauce, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Mix your hot sauce, melted butter, and honey in a bowl and set that to a side. Next, pat your chicken wings dry and then add salt and black pepper. Mix well. Then add your sauce with the chicken wings. Mix well again. Place the wings in a slow cooker and turn it on high for 3 hours. Next, we have pizza rolls. The ingredients are 1 pizza crust, 1 cup of marinara sauce, half a cup of shredded cheese, and 1 pack of pepperonis. Now let's get started. First, open your pizza crust. Next, you want to fold your pizza crust 3 times widthwise. That way it'll form into rectangles and then start cutting them. Once you're done cutting all the rectangles, you want to cut it diagonally to make triangles. Then lay out 2 triangles and add your marinara sauce, 2 pepperoni slices, and cheese. Once you have all the ingredients on there, slowly roll the pizza. Repeat this process until you are all done. Place it on a baking sheet and bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes or until golden brown. Next are croissant sandwiches. The ingredients are croissants, your choice of cheese. I'm using Swiss cheese, and your choice of deli meat. I am using turkey. And last but not least, honey mustard. First, you want to cut the croissant in half. Make sure that you leave one side that is still intact. Then you want to spread your honey mustard on one side. Next, place your cheese and your deli meat right in the middle. All you need to do now is broil it on low for about 3 to 5 minutes. The last one is called taco bites. The ingredients are Tostito scoops, cooked ground beef, fried beans, and shredded cheese. To assemble it, place the chips on a plate. Then add your beans. Next comes the ground beef, and finally top it with cheese.